Hey guys, Trey here with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we're checking out the Raxium Axial Series Hyper Flash LED third brake light with a smoked lens designed to fit 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKs. This is perfect for Jeep owners looking to upgrade their rear lighting for enhanced visibility, modern styling, and that aggressive smoked out lens look. This Axial Hyper Flash LED third brake light offers a sleek and functional upgrade over the factory third brake light. It's packed with high intensity LEDs for a brighter and more noticeable illumination, enhancing your safety on and off the road. The smoked lens gives it a modern and stealthy appearance, ideal for Jeep owners looking to match other aftermarket parts or trying to get that blackout look. The Hyper Flash design ensures a quick response time, helping grab the attention of drivers on the road behind you by flashing 3 times before the light comes on solid. This brake light is built with durable ABS plastic housing, offering excellent impact resistance and long-term durability. This smoked polycarbonate lens is crafted to withstand the UV exposure and tough conditions out there on the trail, keeping it looking sharp for years and not fading or cracking like stock lights tend to do. Internally, it features advanced LED technology designed to provide consistent, energy-efficient performance. It's also going to save you some money in maintenance in the long run without having to go after those replacement bulbs. As far as pricing on this, it's going to come in right around that $100 price range, which is a reasonable price for LED lighting and the added features it brings. When it comes to the installation, this is a direct replacement for your factory third brake light. And on our difficulty meter, this install comes in at a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches and should only take you about 20 minutes to complete the job. It uses the original mounting location and includes a plug-and-play wiring setup for a hassle-free experience. You're just going to need a screwdriver set, some Torx bits, and a plastic trim removal tool might be helpful to get the old light out without damaging the paint. Now let's check out exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
The first thing we have to do before we put the Raxium brake light on, we're going to have to remove that spare tire. It's a 19mm socket. Okay, the next thing we have to do is take these 4 Torx bits out. They're a T15. Hey, you may want to hold on to that. It falls right out. Okay, you want to take this little piece out and then get your pry tool. So sometimes when your Jeep's really filthy, it's got a lot of grunge on it, you got to get a couple pry tools out. Put one on the push pin, one underneath. Try to get this out. Sometimes they're hard to get off. There we go. We want to put a little electric cleaner and some dielectric grease on that. Get that cleaned up. Take this, go put it on the bench, and then we'll put the new one in. Okay, now we got the mess cleaned up that was in there. We're going to take a little bit of contact cleaner since this was so hard to get out. Spray that down in there a little bit. Let that dry. I'm going to put a little dielectric grease in there to keep it from sticking again. Alright, now to install this thing, this plug can be a little cantankerous and it needs to come up here in the top. So what I would do is just get it up in there where it fits. Get you a piece of electrical tape. Hold it in place while you install it. Just a little piece. Make sure you run your wires down into the wiring channels. I would also tape all the wires in just to get them secure. Kind of keep them in place. Just a little piece of electrical tape to kind of hold everything down in its spot. Be careful, it doesn't come off here. Okay, so once you get everything taped up, you can pretty. You take this and line them up. Make sure your fit's good. Get you a torch screw. Kind of get a little twist on it to get it started. Take your drill, make sure you set it real sensitive so it doesn't spin these out. Get one started so you can get around. Over here, same thing. Come up here. Be really gentle with this at first. You really don't want to spin them. Like that. Don't lose your torch bit. We're done.
All right, that's gonna wrap it up for our review and install of the Raxium Axial Series Hyper Flash LED third brake light with a smoked lens for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKs. And for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.